Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. To our returning viewers, welcome back, and to our new viewers, I would like you to like this video, to share this video, and subscribe to this channel to get more of this kind of video. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to get this good text effect done right on your Photoshop. So today I won't be wasting your time at all. This is a kind of text effect that you can use for flyer like this, and trust me when I say that it's not possible that you use this kind of effect and your client will not like your design. So let's get into it. So there's a link in the description. You will click on the link and download this code text effect file. Then you open it and double click on the PSD file. Then you can go to the Photoshop, and this is what you'll be seeing once you open it. Right, so around here there are three different depths right there, but this first one is my favorite. Right, I deleted the other two, and this depth is too much, so I'll be deleting some part of it. Okay, so the next thing is to edit this. And to do that, you double click on this part here. Once you double click on it, it will bring you here. Then you can do all the edits you want to do. You can write everything you would like to write there, but first of all we're going to line this one first. Then we're going to type whatever we want to use for our own design. Okay, then you can change the size now, then centralize it. After doing that, you can just press Ctrl S to save. Then you cancel this particular side, and you have this. Alright, it's that simple. Then the next thing, in case you want to use this for a project, you will need to blind the background first. Then this one and the shadow also, yeah, blind it. After doing that, then you can go to file, then save a copy. Oh sorry, there's a mistake. You go to file, then save a copy, and you're going to choose the location where you want it to be saved in. Then change the name and also the format you want to save with. And that's all. Okay, that will be the end of today's video, guys. Thank you for sticking by and watching up to this level, and I hope that you've learned something that will be very useful for your forthcoming design projects. So in order to support us, you can click on the subscribe button if you've not, and subscribe to this channel in order to see more of educative videos like this. Thank you and see you in the next video.